So this is going to be my unboxing of my Riki Skinny mini lighted vanity mirror with Bluetooth selfie function and 3 times magnification. So really nice packaging. You have a sleeve, and then of course we have a very heavy duty box. And we have a little card from Glamcor. And this matches the sleeve of the box. Hey girl, you are beautiful inside and out. Thank you for being you. Love it. Riki loves Riki. It's adorable. You'll also notice that this is very well padded, so this is a great storage box. You want to be careful with it, because you can use it again. And we have the instructions, which tell us about the controls, how to pair the selfie mode, the magnifying mirror, the battery charging information. A full charge takes 4 hours. So the mirror has a protective surface on it. Crazy. So it's covered in a clear protective plastic. And hopefully you can see those Bluetooth, camera, brighter, dimmer, power, battery life. So let's turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to say that's the dimmest feature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My goodness. That is just so bright. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. So bright. So in the box underneath it, we have the stand, which you can see has grippy rubberized feet, and a trough that allows the mirror to sit down in it. I'm going to remove this at this point. Very nice. So the reason that I bought this mirror, and it is an investment, it was $195, was because of the selfie feature. You'll notice it has 2 magnets, sticks right there, and your phone can go horizontal, vertical, whatever you need. And the top part is a spring, and it's rubberized to protect your phone, so that will accommodate a wide variety of phones. If you're like me, you have a super wide phone, and it's so important to have a selfie mode that's going to accommodate my phone. Now this one is the 3x magnifying mirror. Again, we have magnets. Boom, right in the middle of the mirror. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. I think that is going to be great. Of course, being older, I definitely need something that's going to let me get up close and personal with my skin. We have the charger and the cord. And what's nice about this, 2 USB ports. There we go. You can see that. 2 USB ports, so you can charge your phone, you can charge your mirror. So let's go ahead and take that protective plastic off. What? Oh my gosh. Look at it. It is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. And there appears to be a protective film on the back as well. So the edges are slim. There is our USB port right there. Lights. I definitely feel like this particular mirror is going to do So good for me. So as I said, it's 175 bucks, which I gotta tell you is a lot of cabbage for a mirror. But if it does what I need it to do, it's worth every penny. So this is just the unboxing video, and these are my thoughts coming out of the gate. I love the Bluetooth function, but it would be really nice if it came with a remote. I really like the lights. They are very, very bright. I feel like you could Facebook Live, you could YouTube TV, you could stream with a friend while you were getting ready for the evening. I think that is amazing. I love the magnification. Feels pretty darn sturdy, but it's not crazy difficult to remove, so that's a plus. I love this. This is great. Super cool. I love that you can rotate it. That's great. Now, besides not having a remote, the other thing that I really for myself wish that this mirror had was I really wish that there was a clock feature. I've seen that in some LED mirrors, not this particular brand, in the past, because I am constantly pressed for time. So for me, it's crazy important that I know what time it is. I am going to say that the other kind of downer, besides not having a remote and not having a clock, is that it would be really nice if it was able to stream music, or if you're not into streaming music, the other thing that would be super cool, probably not going to happen, but it is extremely portable. I feel like I could slip this into a sleeve for a laptop and take it along. I love that the battery just hold quite a long time. That's great. I'm going to look at the package real quick and see if it says it takes 4 hours to charge. It does not say how long the battery holds. Well, I guess that would be dependent on the amount of power it's pulling. The brighter the lights, the more power. The lower the light, the less power. That would make sense. How many selfies that you have taken using the awesome camera feature. But this is a super cool mirror. I really like it. I love the edges. It's sleek. I love that I can use this little stand and I can get the mirror more vertical or more horizontal to fit me. I think this is going to live in my little makeup corner and be just epic. I love it. I am not a sponsor for this mirror. I bought it because mainly, honestly, if I'm being really truthful, the selfie function. The reason I bought it, let's just break it down. The reason I bought it was because of the selfie function. Now, if you're one of those women who likes to take lots of selfies and you're getting tired of the fact that you can't get a front-facing selfie in terms of your shoulders being square because you're always trying to hold the camera at the right angle, this is going to cure that. If you are single and you want to change your profile picture all the time after you're camera ready with your makeup, this is going to be great. If you are just a lady that loves to change out her photos on her social media, like her Instagram and her Facebook, I feel like this is going to really solve your problem. Now, it would be pretty nice if this mirror was, say, a 10-time magnification. 3 magnification, it's just really not that much, So to me, a 10-time magnification would be an improvement. But altogether, I have to say, I love the way this looks. It has, to me, an updated old Hollywood look, if that makes sense, because the LEDs on the exterior 100% remind me of those old, it's just really not that much, So to me, a 10-time magnification would be an improvement. But altogether, I have to say, I love the way this looks. It has, to me, an updated old Hollywood look, if that makes sense, because the LEDs on the exterior 100% remind me of those old dressing room tables that had the exposed bare bulbs so women could do their makeup. I really think that this is going to be a very good friend to me for quite some time. So that is my video, and give me a comment if you know a cooler mirror so that I can check it out. Thanks, and have a beautiful day.